Hey everybody, it's Neil. Let's see what other stuff got purchased today that I didn't know about. So this one here it's Old World Christmas Ornaments F. So this will be interesting to see what this one is. See how we can open this up without breaking it because it looks very fragile. Everything's fragile in this home. Okay, let's see what we got here. Uh-oh, this one here. So this is what it looks like here. Old World Christmas. It's some old, I don't know, maybe that's Santa Claus. I don't know. Let's open it up and see. Love ornaments? Get the news first. oldworldchristmas.com. Okay. So that's the Old World Christmas. And this is what the dude looks like. So look at that. So he's Old Worldy Christmas. And it says Father Christmas with Gifts. That's what he's called. And that's what he looks like. So I don't know. What do you think? Kind of cute? Glass seems very fragile. Probably getting sparkles on myself. I am. But that's what it looks like. So kind of cool. Thumbs up on that one. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon.